Hi and welcome to So Much to See. Each week we aim to bring you along with us as we travel Australia. Joe and I hope that we inspire you, and if you like what you see, please like and subscribe. It helps the channel more than you know. If you want to see more, click on the links and follow on social media.
Hidden away in the remote outback, this forgotten sheep farm once thrived with the rhythm of rural life. Now, it sits abandoned, a silent witness to days gone by. Today, we'll explore what's left of this farm, the old homestead and the shearing shed that once formed the backbone of a hard-working family's livelihood. This old house, now empty and weathered by time, once sheltered a family from the harsh elements of the outback. Inside, the floorboards have mostly rotted away, leaving gaping holes that make navigation a challenge. As we step inside, the silence is almost deafening. Each creak of the old wood tells a story of years of neglect, of a home that once buzzed with daily life, but now sits empty, save for a few remnants of the past. In the hallway, we find a sobering sight. What's left of a kangaroo that found its way in but could not find its way out. A stark reminder of how even the wildlife has its struggles out here, left alone in this abandoned space. And here, an unexpected splash of colour. A bright pink bathtub, faded and cracked, yet still a vivid relic of someone's personal touch in what was once a family home. It's these little details that make you wonder about the people who lived here, what their lives were like, and how they chose to leave their mark. The old stove, likely the heart of this home, still stands, a silent relic of countless meals prepared, of warmth and comfort on cold nights. It's the kind of artifact that makes you wonder who cooked here, what stories were told around it, and why it was left behind. Not far from the house, the shearing shed remains standing, a symbol of the hard work that defined life on this farm. This shed, like the house, has seen better days, but it still tells a vivid story of what life was like here. As we step inside the shed, we find ourselves among rows of pens, built to manage the flock during shearing season. The wood is aged and splintered, but it's easy to imagine the sheep packed in here, the shearers moving quickly from one to the next. Here, some of the old shearing equipment still hangs, rusted and worn but full of history. These tools were the lifeblood of this operation, and each piece tells a story of long days, skilled hands, and a tradition that defined this land. Standing here, you can almost hear the echoes of the past, the bleating of sheep, the rhythmic clatter of the shears, the camaraderie of the workers. It's a place that holds memories, even in its emptiness. While these buildings may be empty now, they are far from forgotten. Each visit like this one helps keep their stories alive, reminding us all of the resilience and spirit of those who came before us. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the past. If you enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to join us for more adventures and stories from places off the beaten path.
Such a great spot. Had so much fun there.
Thank you for watching, and if you have made it this far, please like and subscribe. It does help the channel more than you know. Also, we have our own merchandise available. The link will be in the description below.